All right, today we're doing something powerful. We're installing MySQL on Windows. First, open your browser and search for MySQL download. Click the official MySQL website. Look for MySQL Community Edition. Now download MySQL installer for Windows. Choose the bigger file if you can. It includes everything. Download it and run the installer. You'll see setup types. Choose Developer Default. This installs MySQL Server, Workbench, and tools we actually need. Click Next. If it asks to install missing dependencies, hit Execute. Let it install everything. Don't panic, this part takes time. Now configuration starts. Choose Standalone MySQL Server. Next, keep config type as development computer. That means it won't eat your whole RAM like a hungry monster. Connectivity, port 3306. Leave it, that's the default MySQL port. Next, authentication. Choose strong password encryption. Next, now set a root password. This is important. Remember this password, write it down, tattoo it if needed. You can skip adding extra users for now. Next, Windows service. Keep defaults. MySQL will start automatically with Windows. Next. Click Execute. If everything shows green check marks, congratulations, your database server is alive. Click Finish.